For the last couple of months, we have been watching creators from the United States of America make more money than they know what to do with simply by posting videos on TikTok. Not from sponsors, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, not from going live, but simply by views that they get on their videos. And this is via something that's called the TikTok Creativity Program Beta, and it's something that you should be paying attention to if you are a content creator on TikTok yourself and you are looking to make more money than you know what to do with just based on your video views. I have got an update with regards to where the Creativity Program Beta is currently. For those not aware, it has only been available in the United States, France and Brazil officially over the last couple of months. However, I have 3 pieces of evidence that confirm that it may indeed be in the UK as well currently. I recently made a video saying it's also in Japan. Literally today I found out that it may have hit the United Kingdom as well. So if you are a content creator on TikTok and you are in the United Kingdom, and again, if you are interested in making money by utilizing the views that are in your videos, literally just getting paid for the views that you receive within your videos, this is definitely something that you're going to want to pay attention to. For those of you that have been living under a rock, just to quickly define what the TikTok Creativity Program Beta is. So essentially, it's what I like to call the big brother to the TikTok Creator Fund. TikTok is promising to pay creators up to 20 times more than on the Creator Fund for creating authentic, original content and videos that are over 1 minute long. There's a lot more criteria that you need to meet in order to get into the Creativity Program Beta, but at a high level, that's what it is. It's essentially getting paid for views via ad revenue by TikTok, similar to the YouTube partner program. Eligibility requirements range from you need to be over the age of 18, you need to have over 10,000 followers on your account, you need to have received over 100k views over the last 30 days before you apply. You know, it's only for 1 minute plus videos, they need to be original and so forth. But again, this is something that I have covered extensively in my TikTok Creativity Program Beta playlist, which will be somewhere on the screen right now, or potentially on the end screen that will be at the end of this video. Now, very quickly, I'm going to run through what the 3 pieces of evidence I've got are, which support that the beta is currently in the United Kingdom. So what you can see on the screen currently is a Reddit post. So Reddit is one of the best places to find things out, because for example, TikTok is not going out publicly and announcing that they are rolling the beta out while they're secretly inviting creators from all these different regions. However, if you want to find out from people themselves if they are getting these invites, Reddit is one of the best places bar none to find out this information. And sure enough, there was someone that commented on one of the Reddit posts not long ago saying that the Creativity Program Beta is now in the United Kingdom. They've actually gotten an invite to join the beta, as you can see by a screenshot that'll be somewhere on the screen right now. So having someone actually come out from the United Kingdom and say that they've gotten the invite, that's obviously a huge thing in terms of proof to confirm that it is currently available. So that's item number 1, I would call it. Item number 2, you can see a screenshot that's currently on TikTok itself. Equally, as much as monitoring Reddit, I've also been checking out posts on TikTok as well, and just keeping an ear to the ground to see if anyone from the United Kingdom does actually post a video confirming that they are currently in the beta, or if they have been invited. And surely enough, someone posted a video saying they received an invite in the United Kingdom as well, as you can see on the screen here. I'm going to post the link to that video in the description. Go and check that out if you want. But yeah, so that's essentially item number 2 that again confirms that someone from the United Kingdom has received that invite. So not only have you got someone on Reddit saying they've got an invite, you've got someone on TikTok saying they've got an invite as well. Shout out to this creator that left a comment on one of my videos that's on the screen as well. Thank you very much for the update. That's yet another person confirming that the beta is now in the United Kingdom. So cheers for that. So essentially you've got 3 different pieces of evidence, 3 different people that are confirming that the rollout has started in the United Kingdom. So not only is the beta now in France, Brazil and the USA and Japan, it's seemingly in the United Kingdom as well. And I think there's more regions than that where they started inviting people as well. I believe Germany may be one of those regions, and a couple of others. But again, it's really hard to monitor it because TikTok is not officially coming out and saying we are rolling it out in these regions. They're doing it quietly for now. And I reckon in the next couple of weeks or couple of months, a post will come out to say updated, we have now rolled out to more regions, blah, 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 blah. But it doesn't seem like they're ready to do that just yet. So if you're in the United Kingdom and you have received the invite, jump in the comments and let me know. If you haven't received the invite yet, are you excited about this? Is this something that you're open to giving a try? Because again, this is the most that I've seen TikTok pay creators for simply just views on their videos. There's no additional extra steps you have to take. You don't have to get in contact with anyone. You don't have to sell anything. You don't have to go live. You don't have to take all these extra steps. It's literally just you being authentic, creating a video that is over a minute long, abiding by the rules of the beta, making sure that you stick within the community guidelines, and essentially just going for the ride and seeing if it pays out for you. And again, I've done a video running through some case studies of relatively small creators that have switched in the US from the Creator Fund to the Creativity Program Beta. Again, that'll be on the link somewhere on the screen somewhere. And even relatively small creators are benefiting from this version of the Creativity Program Beta. You've got people making $300 a day. You've got people making upwards of 4K a month. In some cases, people are getting paid more than their actual jobs just from posting these videos on TikTok, which is a little bit insane. But what are your thoughts regarding this? Do you think this is sustainable? Do you think this is just going to be this version of the beta? Do you think it's going to morph and change at a later stage to a version that pays people less? Interested to see what your thoughts are with regards to this. Creativity Program Beta is seemingly in the United Kingdom as well. I've not had my invite, by the way. I'm based in the United Kingdom, so looking forward to when that does come out. I think personally it's worth the risk. All the time that I've been in the Creator Fund, I've made next to nothing, so it will be interesting to find out how that would look from a Creativity Program Beta perspective. I've got 2 accounts, both of them technically would qualify. I just need to hit that 100k views a month mark, which I can quite easily hit over the next couple of days or so and see where things go from there. But I'd love to hear what your experience is, if you have received the invite or if you haven't, if you're excited about it, if you're skeptical about it, if you're planning to stay within the Creator Fund, if you're planning to apply for the Creativity Program Beta. Let me know your comments below.